You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word correctly? That's short for daddy or father, essentially. We're going to be looking at how to say this word as well, so make sure to stay tuned. In English, dad. It's how it's said. It's a fairly long R sound. I mean, some may say it a bit shorter, dad, or dad. Dad. Yeah, it's easy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.